Hello everyone. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So in this data I have a one column is date. First I apply here the filter for on full data. So I press here the shortcut key Shift Control L to apply the filter. Okay. Then click on the date column and here you can use the date filters option to filter the different date of the next week, this week, next month, quarterly, yearly. You can filter data here the quickly. All dates in this period. You can see the monthly wise also you can filter is. So I select here the March data, it's filter. You can see 0303. It's only the March date. Okay, I just click on this drop down arrow and again I click on the date filter. Now I click on the equals option. Okay, just enter here the one date. Okay, so I just enter here the 1/03 2025. Okay, you can add here the one more also, or you can also add. Okay, then click on and that's it. You can see only the selected date is filtered. Okay, again I click on this drop down arrow and click on the date filter, and here in all dates in the period you can select here the quarter also. So I select here the third quarter and you can see only the third quarter data is filters. Okay, so this is so helpful to filter by date in Excel. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.